What up, YouTube? We got Jason in the back. We just fired the truck up. We are headed to Naples. We're outside of Naples, Florida. Caitlin, she's running late. She's got to go get something in the house. She'll be here in a second. But we are back in the 350. Huckleberry's taking the weekend off because, honestly, because the wife and the kid are coming. So why take the 450 when we have a 350 that rides very smoothly and for the most part doesn't let me down. But we gotta go hook up to the gooseneck, and we're just hooking and booking straight down to Naples tonight, and mulching tomorrow, probably mulching Sunday. Hopefully getting some good content for some business video I'm trying to put together for like ads and shit. But yeah, I guess we'll see how this trip goes, so hang tight. Little man needing to stretch his legs. 3 hours in the truck was a little too much. Gotta make his lap, check his tires. Gotta do his stretches. Oh, what is that? That looks like a... Well, we don't need that. Ready to run. Ready to run. He'll get going here. Swinging his arms. Really wants to climb on the trailer, but he can't figure it out how. Oh. He's got to rest. And right back to where we were. No lessons learned here. Just gonna keep on trying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We made it to Naples, which, I'm not gonna lie, seems a lot like a little Tijuana. They got COVID here. Everyone speaks Spanish. I'm the weird one for speaking English. Oh well, we're here to make money. So we're going to be getting that out of there, but also flipping some knives around, putting some new knives on. Greasing the machine up. Hopefully getting this air filter cover off so we can blow the air filters out, or the AC filter. I can't get it, this one, so we're gonna get the AC working today. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Probably isn't gonna fix it because it never does, but it's better than not doing anything at all. So we're gonna try that, so we'll have AC today. But yeah, let's get to it. Well, it wouldn't be a road trip if everything didn't go wrong. So I can't get all the knives off that I want. Brand new air compressor, won't start. And it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. And we have about 20 hours of mulching to do. What else could go wrong today? I guess we'll find out. $58 from almost empty. Good morning, YouTube. We're out here in Naples, Florida, and we're gonna be forestry mulching this here property. We got a survey stake right there, so that's cool. We got some garbage, not cool, because I don't have torches with me today. But we're gonna go open this up. With the caterpillar. And this is why I don't like working Saturdays. I do it, but I don't like it. So this is supposed to be virgin land. Should have been very easy to come in and forestry mulch. You know, we're just kind of knocking it down, roughing it out right now, trying to find the property lines and stuff. And this whole property is filled with this just boulders of caprock or coquina. It's most likely caprock though. And then the palmettos are just growing, covering it. Just every direction I go, there's just more and more. See that? How about that one? See that one? Let me clear it for you. And got your forestry eyes on the PC. You can see that? Chunks of it all over the place, right there. Clearly you can see where the knives caught it there. Some right there. Which leads me to believe that this is not virgin ground and that this has been cleared in the past, and I'm assuming someone gave up on the clearing, or maybe just didn't build on it 20 years ago because of the capstone or caprock, whatever it's called. So yeah, we're probably gonna keep pushing through just to get to the back of the property, and then we'll call the client out and see if he just wants to bring an excavator in and clear all this. Look at that dead tree. That guy's got to come down. But probably the house is going to go right here where we're standing. Might go back there actually, maybe a little bit right here. But yeah, this is if it's going to be all this all the way to the back. I don't really want to run my knives through it because it just dulls them instantly. Just chips away at them. And that's no bueno. So I don't really want to get the head in the ground and start processing this material up real good, because I'm afraid I'm going to hit more caprock. It's annoying, but that's what we get for working Saturdays. So let's see how this goes. dusty, dusty. But look at all that capstone, just cap rock. I keep calling it capstone. But yeah, so we actually kind of hit pause because the neighbor just put an offer in and wants to buy it. So the new owner that I got hired by is coming back, and we're gonna try and sell the piece of land for the neighbor. And yeah, so we'll see how that goes. But I don't really want to keep clearing, keep mulching, or hitting capstone, because if the neighbor's gonna buy it, then there ain't no reason to. But yeah, well, slow going on this job. That's how it be sometimes. That's how it be. Talked to the owner. He does not want to sell, which means we got to get back to work. So as you can see, I kind of found my my opening. This is what I was talking about earlier, where I really like to have that opening. It lets me work off of it. We are about 15-20 feet off the property line right here, and about halfway back. Yeah. So we're gonna start just plowing that down to the other side of the property, and then we'll skip and keep on going. So enjoy. Good morning, YouTube. Day 2 of the Naples job. We are, this is the watch hand, 5 minutes into mulching. Literally went 30 feet, like just 30 feet. And boom. We didn't just catch ourselves a tire, we caught ourselves a wheel. And based on how early in the day we caught this, I am not expecting it to come out easy. Like literally, I haven't even gone into the property yet. This was just like a, oh, just buzz this front path by the road real quick, kind of make it look a little better maybe. That's mostly what today is, just push back on the sides. So we're gonna throw a chain through there, have it wrapped around the tree, and try and yank the fucker out. So, I don't know if you can see anything up there. Let's go. Oh, look how dirty this thing is. Caterpillar's getting an earful on Monday. Tired of the AC not working in this thing. So over. Why is the camera moving? What the hell? What the hell, Ricky Bobby? All right. Let's see how this goes. Bring the head down a little bit. Hopefully it takes long enough to get the flat ground. And tight. Hey, it came out. Now, what I'm expecting to happen is to break a tooth here soon, because I hit that wheel at full rip'ems. Full rip'ems. So, homeowner or client really wants a driveway through here, but it's not gonna happen because all the cap rock. But I guess we could just knock down a few pines later this afternoon and kind of straighten it out. But you go for a ride with me. This is all cap rock territory, so we're not doing too much mulching up here anymore because it's already screwed my knives up pretty dang good. Well, here is the front half. It's hard to see through there, so we're going to try and open that up today so you can see all the way through. And then we're going to push on these boundaries over here and then try and just kind of clean up everything. Try not to spend all day out here, but we'll see how that goes. Would like to get home, which is 5 hours away, before midnight. So see, we got like these palms, these shorter ones. They really block the view, and then we got a lot of mess over here. So let's just start the day out mulching right here. And some wood, which is what I like to mulch. Hate mulching palms. There's a lot of deadfall. Don't worry, we can mulch that up. That's probably a 6-inch piece of wood, but it's walking on me. Is that cap rock? No, that's just a stump. Let them dull knives sing! Woo! That is just a rotten old pine stump right there. That's why it's so dusty. I can't see anything. Perfect. Now that we got everything covered back in dust and the air filter's filled up, now we can start mulching. Still can't see really, but this sports mulching, you don't need to be able to see. All that matters is the mulcher can eat. Let's take down this buddy. So there is a house over here about 100 yards away, so I'm not really trying to aim too much at their property. The property's only about property line is only about 30 feet away, so that's why I'm trying to turn everything. Hopefully the neighbors aren't late sleepers. It is 9 o'clock, so don't don't get it wrong. It's not early or anything. Hey, we can see again. The sun's not blocking or blinding us. Look at that. Nope, we don't have our crawl speed on. Whoop, wrong button. There we go. Oh, there's a stump. Look at that bitch. That was a big one. That was about 2 foot. man. Cleaned that up pretty good. Sun's obviously not helping today, but you guys just gotta get yourself one of these. What is this, the Kershaw? I forget the name of this one. But as long as it has that blade on it, it's a work machine. Yeah, don't try and, what did I try and open? Oh no, I tried to pry up a water box outside of someone's house to turn the water off, and then we found out that it was just bolted down, and that's why I broke the knife. But can't blame the knife for that. That was just me not looking. But anyways, we obviously have a piece of wood stuck there. That's fine, it'll come out. It'll burn itself out or whatever. But yeah, this is just to rough it up. We can come back through and make everything nice and pretty if the landowner wants it, but I doubt he will, since we're going to be coming back with an excavator. So might as well just keep it a little rougher. Use your rake with the grapple. But yeah, the battery's about to die on the GoPro, so time to hop in and do some actual work instead of showing off for the camera. So guess what? I'm gonna straighten this out again. I don't know why it keeps moving. All right, we have another jam. Why? Because Caterpillar / FAE heads fucking suck. Look at that. Jam-packed full. And this is also why palmettos suck. I've been backdragging on this log here trying to get it to untangle, but Kershaw to the rescue again. There's a knife under there. A lot easier with two hands. Yeah, you can't see. Yeah, right there. How about that? Probably not enough light, but whatever. Trying to get work done here. Yeah, she's thick. God, I hate this mulcher. Can't wait for the gyro track to get here. I think my knife's starting to lose its edge, but cutting palmettos out for 2 days, I'm gonna probably do that. Might have to go up front and get the chain. I guess we'll give it a couple more slides up and down the pine pole. See if it'll break it loose now. We are trying to spin it backwards. That might actually be, yeah, that's what I thought. After some looking and some brain functioning. Ta-da! Man, she is just caked back there with palmetto gunk. See that? Anyways, head's almost leaked down, so I gotta get back in. God, I hate this head. What the hell? It's still dirty! Oh yeah, that's because Caterpillar ain't fixed the AC yet. Because it's the same day. I'm tired of hitting caprock. Knives are all bent or chipped to hell. No point in even continuing. The front we can't even get to because there's just so much caprock here. You get stuck in between things. You can't process anything. It's really hard. I'll show you. It's really hard to establish a beachhead. Look at that. Caprock instantly. Came in here. Actually, I think I came from the other direction. There's power poles in here. Look at that, there's a whole semi-tire right there. Caprock. Oh, caprock. It's just annoying. So, I'm gonna hook it up. I'm gonna tell the customer, and then we're gonna come back with an excavator. Start laying these pines down, yanking these palms up, and clearing it once we have permits. So I'll go back here and show you though. And boom, here's where the 2 acres really opens up. There's gonna be 2 houses on this property apparently. Be a nice spot for one right here with a big flag shaped layout. So one house will go here, and then one house will go back there in that clearing back there, which we'll go back there and look at. Probably leave some of these pines and palms here in between the 2 houses, just to kind of delineate property lines and such. But as you can see, it opens up more back here. This one's a little more crowded, or at least there's a little bit more clearing that needs to go on back here than the front half, because the front half is all palmettos. This is more of a woody tract. But as you can see, we got like 15 or 20 trees to yank out, but a lot of them are dead. We got a dead tree. There's a dead tree right there. Dead tree. That one's not dead, but you know, got plenty of work to do with an excavator. There's no real point in getting too detailed on the mulching, especially because it's gonna get yanked out. So, like I said earlier, it just helps to rake it when it's a little bigger. But yeah, looks pretty good. I think we could have gone back a little bit more right there. Oh, that was lunchtime. Yeah, so I quit. But anywho, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so yet, hold on, let me clean that up for you. There you go. If you haven't done so yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you could. Yeah, you hit it right there. All right, thank you. Can I get my tripod? And I leave these on job sites all the time. But yeah, we're gonna have to do some maintenance on the machine on Tuesday. I believe the machine is working tomorrow as well, so not gonna be any time between tonight and tomorrow to do any maintenance on it as far as sharpening knives. But I would just like to take all these knives off and replace them. But we'll see how many bolts we have, because apparently the bolts that hold these knives on are on back order. So anywho, I'll see you later.